Hello students, this is Miss Roll. In this video, I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to use Adobe Spark Video. So the first step, of course, is going to be to go to spark.adobe.com. It should bring you up to this main Spark page here. One thing that you are going to want to do at the beginning is to create an account. And so if you go over to the top right, there should be some options here, and you should have a login option. I have already logged in here. Log in or create an account, and you can just do this with your school email. That way you're all set and you have the ability to save this video so that you can kind of work on it and come back and make some changes. So once you have logged in and gotten that all figured out, you're going to click on this lovely plus button to create a new project. And we are going to go down to video. It takes a minute to load as it figures out all of these ideas. And now here we are going to go ahead and give it a title. So I'm going to call it Science Experiment. And you click next. Now it lets you choose between a lot of different templates that you can look at. You can choose to use one of those. I am going to show you making your own, and so it kind of just starts from scratch. I personally found that when we do these templates, they have a lot of stuff that we don't necessarily need. And it's just kind of easier to start from scratch than to delete a bunch of things. So I'm going to make up my own, and it's going to load once again. It does take a minute here, so we just got to wait. Now, they do have a short video to show you some things. I highly suggest watching this as well. I'm going to skip it for this moment. And now it brings you to this nice big blank screen. So on any slide, you can add video. So if you recorded something, maybe it is a picture of you showing a portion of your science experiment, whatever, you can put that in here. I'm going to click on text for right now, and I'll show you. So maybe this is my introduction slide. Okay, and that's all I want on this particular slide. So I'm going to go to my next one. Oh, it's telling me I can drag and drop text, so I can move it around if I would like. If you click back on the plus button, it gives you the other things that you can add, right? I could edit the text, I could add a video, I could add a photo. But I, at this point, would like to add a slide. So I'm going to go to the next one. They give you this credits slide. I thought that I could add another slide here. Miss Roll's figuring some stuff out too as we go. Let's see. Aha. So if I right click, I can click duplicate, but there's got to be an easier way to do that. You know what? Miss Roll's going to figure this out and be right back. All right, folks, I figured out why I was getting confused, because my picture down here was covering up the lovely, very obvious plus button that lets you add another slide. So I click this, and now it gives me another nice blank slide. I can add more text, photo, etc. One thing I want to point out is that you've got some options over here on the right for different kind of formats to set up a page. So you might do a split screen. Maybe over here, I would add some text. I would maybe type out some variables. And then maybe on this side I can add a picture, right? When you click on photo, it lets you search free photos, or you can upload a photo. So I'm going to just find a free photo. Let's say my experiment is about Oreos. So I'm going to type in Oreo to see if I can get a picture of Oreo cookies. It's searching. Hey, look, I've got some pictures of Oreos. I kind of like this one. This one looks pretty. There you go. I've got some Oreo pictures, or Oreo cookies on my Adobe Spark. Now, once you've created whatever slides that you would like to have, the next step is going to be to talk over them. And to do that, you click on this little microphone button right down here. And it's going to ask to use your microphone. You're going to allow. And then when you click, you press and hold, and it's going to record whatever it is that you are saying in that moment on the slide. Okay, so now I recorded something. I can do it again if I want to try something different. And it will record the different chunk of text or chunk of speaking that I try to add. You can also click the play button to hear what it is that you've said over your slide. So this is where you're going to add your explanation, right? We don't want all of your information typed on the slide. You type some of it and then you speak the rest of your information. That's just kind of a nicer way to make a video. So again, you can make different slides for your different pieces. Look at the examples to give you some ideas. Record your voice over the slides. And then when you are all done, you're going to click on this share button up at the top in the middle. And you're going to click publish. Now it's going to give you some options. You can change your title, add a subtitle if you would like. You can pick a category. You don't have to. Your author name is there. You can turn that off if you would like. And it gives you this option to get noticed. So if you think you have a fantastic science experiment, you are welcome to keep that on. I'm going to turn it off since this is just a simple example. And I'm going to click Create Link. And it's going to load for a little bit again as it's creating this link. Let's see. Almost done making that link. Aha, there we go. Now I have this lovely shareable link. This is what you are going to copy and paste into your slides so that your teachers can watch and grade your Adobe Spark video. I hope that this was clear. I just showed you some of the basics. Please feel free to play around with the different options that they have. It is a fairly easy tool to use and it makes really nice videos. So again, you're going to copy and then all you need to do is paste your link into the slideshow. I hope this helped, and please let your teachers know if you have any questions.